Welcome to Cow Life. In this 15-minute journey, we'll take you behind the scenes of modern farming to witness the incredible process of hoof care for cows. Discover how skilled hoof trimmers treat injuries, manage hoof diseases, and maintain the health of our bovine friends using advanced tools and techniques. Learn about the challenges cows face, from injuries to common hoof ailments, and how a professional hoof orthopedist ensures they can stand, walk, and thrive. Experience life on a cutting-edge farm, where technology meets tradition to provide the best care for these amazing animals. Don't miss this fascinating insight into the world of hoof health and modern farming. Cow Sparkles. Subscribe to Cow Life for more stories about farm life, animal care, and the hardworking people who make it all possible. At Cow Life, we believe every hoof tells a story. Today, we dive deep into the essential, yet often overlooked, work of hoof care for cows. Hoof health is critical not just for the comfort of the cows, but for their overall well-being and productivity. From the moment the cow enters the trimming chute to the final steps of the procedure, you'll see how precision tools and skilled hands transform damaged hooves into healthy, functional ones. Watch as cracks, infections,